Welcome back to my channel Balvigyan Bharti, and here is your mentor Avilash Sarkar. We are progressing on trigonometric ratios. There I am solving problems after the theory being completed, and we have reached till the problem number 43. Now we'll go onwards. I will move into 44, and as every time I have completed showing 50 numbers odd problems, but this time I may go a little bit further because there are a few more variety of sums are there that need to be discussed and shown. So I am trying to give all those variety that will be useful. There may be some more varieties, but due to the time constraint I may not continue. I'll move on to the other subjects, but as of now I will start from the problem number 44. Okay, so the 44 problem says 1 by sec theta minus tan theta minus 1 by cos theta equal to, you have to prove, minus 1 by sec theta plus tan theta. This you have to prove. So let me start from the left hand side. So this I will multiply with their conjugate, and this will turn into sec square theta minus tan square theta minus this 1 by cos theta is equal to sec theta. Now if I go further, this is equal to 1, so something divided by 1 is equal to the same, so I will write it tan theta minus sec theta. Okay, so now sec theta cancelled out, will remain with tan theta, but still this is not matching with this part. So this time I will do something else. So I will again start with the right hand side. Okay, why I am doing, I will tell you. So now 1 by right hand side is equal to 1 by cos theta, that I will write as sec theta, minus what I will do multiplication with the conjugate and then in this part, and this will turn it into this. So now this part is equal to 1, something by 1 is equal to same, but thing is that this has to be, because this minus belongs to the whole thing. So to clear it, the understanding, I put a bracket. So bracket I can bring because this is a one part and that minus is for both. So now if I don't do that, there may be confusion and you will make a mistake. So always if there is a common minus, so the other part you can separate it by bracket, that will nullify your confusion later on. So once you remove the bracket, that minus will affect both the terms individually. So minus here nothing is means plus, minus plus minus, so that will turn into sec theta, and here minus, this is minus, so minus and minus plus, so this will turn into tan theta. Now here you can see this ultimately I will get, so now both the cases I will get the end result is tan theta. So from that I can say left hand side is equal to right hand. So this is kind of thing that you cannot reach from there to this part. You can reach it if something is there in a perception or concept. Ultimately you can reach it, but you have to do so much of exercise and so much of mind-storming thing you have to do. Rather, if I go individually by the side and I can reach somewhere which is very common point for both the case, so from there also I can say. So this is one kind of solving the problem. So now 44 is over. I will move on to 45. So 45 says tan A plus cot B divided by cot A plus tan B is equal to tan A by tan B. So now this is very easy to understand because this part is giving you some hint that everything as it is described in tan. So this part, if we start with the left hand side, there obviously that cot has to be transferred into tan, that will give you some chance of meeting the right hand side. So what I'll do, I'll make all this cot into tan first without thinking twice. Now this will give this tan, this will be LCM, so this will give you tan A, tan B plus 1 whole divided by tan B, and the second part of the lower one is 1 plus again tan B tan A. As for sequence I am writing, but ultimately that is the same term. So this part and this part are same. So this, when it is comes as a ratio, will cancel each other. So ultimately this tan will go up in the numerator and tan B will come down to the denominator, and that is your right hand side. Okay, so 45 is over. Now I will move on to 46. 1 plus sin alpha divided by cosec alpha minus cot alpha. Cosec alpha minus cot alpha minus 1 minus sin alpha divided by cosec alpha plus cot alpha, that you have to prove it as 1 plus cot alpha. Cot alpha. Let me start from left hand side. So what I'll do, I will multiply the conjugate. So this will turn into 1 plus sin alpha into cosec alpha plus cot alpha whole divided by cosec square alpha minus cot square alpha, and minus, so you can take it in a bracket so that I can distinguish the term. 1 minus sin alpha cosec alpha, this time it is plus, so the thing will come at the top is minus. Okay, so the ultimate result at the bottom will be same, cot square alpha. So now the thing, this part, the denominator is all equal to 1. So this will remain as sin alpha into cosec alpha plus cot alpha. This minus 1 minus sin alpha into cosec alpha minus cot alpha. So there are similarity in the terms. So accordingly, if you arrange the things, you will get some result. How do you arrange? This 1 is multiplied with this, 1 is multiplied with this, but in between there is a sign minus. So ultimately the thing will there in the bracket will be influenced by the second minus sign. So cot alpha is the first time, this is plus, this is plus, this minus will influence this. So this will turn the thing opposite. So this will be the result I will get for the first case. The second case, sin alpha, this minus and minus together plus, so sin alpha, so I will take it plus sin alpha, and inside bracket the term will remain as it is, cosec alpha plus cot alpha plus cosec alpha minus cot alpha. Okay, rub it out. Now this here, this. So ultimately this is 2 cot alpha, and here sin alpha into 1 and 2 cosec alpha. Now this together will give you 1 because these are in inverse relation. So ultimately this will be cot alpha plus 2. If I take it 2 common, so that will give you cot alpha 1 2 plus. So that is your right hand side. So you can write it right hand side. Okay, 46 is over. Now here is your 47. So 47 says tan A divided by 1 minus cot A plus cot A divided by 1 minus tan A is equal to 1 plus sec A and cosec A, that you have to prove. Now how do you bring that in picture? One tan A by 1 minus cot A. So that is equal to 1 plus sec A cosec A. So there 1 this together, if I do the LCM, let me start from the left hand side. If I want to bring everything in tan, let's say I'm bringing in tan, then there may be possibility from this side also I can bring the same term. Let's check this. 1 minus cot A means 1 by tan A plus 1 by tan A 1 minus tan A. So that tan will go up, tan square A by tan A minus 1 plus 1 by tan A I will write same. So that if I take minus common, so that will turn the second term tan A minus 1. So this tan I will keep it as it is. So all over 1 upon tan A, this will be the same. So let me take tan A, because the LCM will be tan A and both the term will come. Here this term is matching, so only tan will be multiplied with the square, so that will turn is to tan cube A, and here both the terms are there, so minus 1. Okay, so now check. Okay, so now A cube, this is A cube minus B cube. If I put it like that, so tan A minus 1, A minus B, tan square A plus tan A plus 1, A minus B, A square plus AB plus B square. So I can put it like that, A cube minus B cube, A minus B, A square plus AB plus B square, whole into tan A into tan A minus 1. Now it is making sense, I think. So this is cancelled out. So ultimately this will be tan square A plus tan A plus 1 whole divided by tan A. Okay, now divide 1 upon 1 by 1. 10 by 10 square only 1. So that will give you 10. 10, 1 by 10, it is equal to cot A. So now how that would be similar to that? So sec means 1 by cos, 1 by sin. Okay, so let me write it that way, plus 1 plus cos A by sin A. Now add this. I want to add this and this. 1 will be as it is because 1 is already there. I will not involve 1 into the picture. So if I take 1, so this sin by cos by sin. So ultimately if I add this, sine will be square there, cos will be square there, and bottom that will be sine A cos A, and the top sine square A plus cos square A. Okay, now sine square A plus cos square is equal to 1. So this is 1 by sine A cos A. So I can write it 1 by sine A into 1 by cos A, because 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So 1 plus sine A means cosec A, and 1 by cos A means sec A. So that is your right hand side proved. Okay, fine. So I'll move into the problem number 48. I have did 47, so 48. Sec square 90 minus 5 minus cot square 5 divided by 2 into sine square 25 plus sine square 65. You have to evaluate this. What would be the value? Let me check it. Sec 90 minus theta. So in first coordinate, what are the relations? Sine is related to cos. Okay, sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So cosec is related to sec. So sec is related to what? Sec 90 minus theta, that means is equal to cos theta. If you remember, what are the relations? Sine of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta, cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta, sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta, tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. So these are the relation, they are related like that. So sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec square 5, means is given as 5, so I will call it 5, cot square 5 divided by 2 into sine square 25, and this can be written as sine 90 minus 25 square, the same thing. Okay, sine 65 means sine 90 minus 25 is the same thing. Cosec square minus cot square is equal to 1 divided by 2 into sine square 25 plus sine 90 minus degree, 90 minus theta, that is equal to cos. So cos square 25 degree. Now this also is equal to 1. So 1 upon 2, that is your answer. Okay. So I will leave it here. In next class, few more kind I will show you. I may extend some of the examples further, because I think that also to be discussed. If I leave it, that you may face somewhere, and as a task I have taken, I have a responsibility to show you all the kinds that may you face in your academic subject, this trigonometric ratio. So I will show you that I will not stop in the number 50, rather few more I will do first, and then I will move to the other subjects. Okay, so thank you for now. Good night.